So I just got home from church and we're gonna unbox these hair clips that I got. So let's go. There's something else in here, so I'm gonna give that to my dad because it's not mine. So these are the hair clips. Let's open them. It says Funtopia on it. And these are like the colors. So I got these because I was doing hairstyles where I would put like ponytails on this side, but I was using these, and if you don't know about these, they rip your hair out when you try to take them out. So my mom told me to get clips instead. I was gonna get butterfly clips, but my dad was like, do you want to look like a 5-year-old? And I was like, nah, so I just got these ones because they're a little bit more age appropriate. So we're gonna do these ones, and we're gonna test them out. So my hair looks a mess because I fell asleep in the car twice. I fell asleep on the way to church and then on the way home, so that's why my makeup is smudged and my hair looks a mess. But anyway, we're gonna try these. Yeah, really small, so I don't think it'll fit. We're gonna try. Anyway, how small these were. Yeah, that's what it looks like. I just my hair a little bit to make it fit. Yeah, anyway, that's a review of these. They come in all different colors like that. I'm gonna have to find other ways to style them, but yeah, these are cute and I definitely will be using them. So okay, so after fiddling with these clips and trying to get them to work, I finally came up with something. I braided these bits of my hair and left the rest of it out and then put clips on the braids. Now I think this looks cute, but let me know what you guys think.